Hey guys, welcome to Region of Tech. I hope you are doing great. So if you guys are frustrated with your sideloaded apps being revoked after a few days you install them and getting unable to install or internet connection problem errors every time you try to reinstall them and you want a great solution that will fix all of these issues even without any DNS, then this video is definitely for you. Just watch this video till the end and I'm 100% sure your all the issues related to sideloading will be solved. So let's start this video. Firstly, head over to this website. Its name is FlekStore and it's a powerful sideloading tool available for iOS devices. Using this, you can install unlimited apps on your iOS devices without a jailbreak or PC. You will just need your device with a good internet connection and that's it. So once you are on its website, just click on get here in the top right corner and you will get an interface like this. Here either you can use this app in your browser only or you can also add it to your home screen by following the instructions given here. I'll recommend you guys to add this to your home screen for easy access and make sure open as web app is enabled. So once it's added to your home screen, open it and allow all notifications. There you will see a lot of apps that you can install directly from here in just few clicks, and those apps are sorted into different categories which make it easier to find any app you are looking for. But before you try to install apps from here, you will need to set up it first. For that, go to device section, then click on add device and then click on allow. Now open your settings app. There you will see the profile downloaded option at the top. Click on that and install it by entering your passcode. Once done, you will get a success page like this. Now open the FlekStore again and this time in the device section you will see your device UDID, certificate and premium access status. Right now you may be seeing a red cross instead of a green tick in front of certificate and premium, and these are very crucial to install apps. So to get these green ticks you will get 3 options under the certificate section. Those options are not visible on my iPad right now because I have already set up it. So let me show you those options on my iPhone instead. So as you can see here, you will get these 3 options: a developer certificate and premium directly from the FlekStore, an Apple developer account option, if you have one you can use this, and your own certificate. But the best one here is getting a developer certificate and premium directly from the FlekStore because it is the easiest to set up and 100% working. You will just have to select the plan you want to go with, standard or special, then click on buy now, enter your payment details and make the payment. After that you will get a green tick in front of certificate and premium instantly or within 72 hours. And if you purchase it from the link given in the description or in the pinned comment, you will get 2 months of premium access for free. With that premium access, you will be able to access some unique features and exclusive content like the apps. Those are only available on FlekStore along with priority support. So once you get green tick in front of certificate and premium, you are ready to install apps. That too without jailbreak or PC, and you will not face any issues at all. So there are 2 methods you can use to install apps, but the best one here is LiveContainer. For that, just go to the signer option and then click on install and then click on sign and then click on install again. After that, return to your home screen. There you will see that LiveContainer is installed successfully without any issues. Now let's open the LiveContainer, and when you will open it, you will get a success pop-up with a message FlekStore certificate imported. Just click on OK and go to the JIT less mode diagnose in the settings. Now click on test JIT less mode and you should see a success message like this. Now you are ready to install unlimited apps without any revoke or internet connection problem on your iOS devices. So let's try to install some apps here. For that, go to the browse option. There you will see FlekStore library and all the sources you have added in the FlekStore. You can install apps directly from here, and you also have another option, import from files or links. For that, you will just have to import an IPA file or enter a URL of your app destination and your app will get installed without any issues, as you can see here. Now let's see how to install apps using FlekStore library. Just search for the app you want to install and then click on get here, and your app will get installed successfully in just one click, as you can see here. Now click on run to test the app and you will see it is working perfectly without any issues, and it will last without any revoke or internet connection problem till your premium access and certificate is valid. And if you want to know more about LiveContainer, like its some exclusive features and hidden settings, you can check out my this video. The link is given in the description, on the I button and in the pinned comment as well. But wait, what if you want the IPA file of any app? For that, just go to the FlekStore, select the app and then click on 3 dot in the app pop-up and select the download IPA file to to save the IPA file in your Files app. And that was all about method 1 of installing apps using FlekStore with LiveContainer. If you want to install apps using a certificate or another signer, you will just have to email FlekStore and ask for the certificate, and they will send you your certificate zip file, and with that you can use another apps like ESign, Scarlet, or any app that you want. So all the required links are in description and in the pinned comment. If you have any doubts, just let me know in comments. And also I am working on a great project and that will be live soon. You can follow me on Instagram for live updates, and you can also check out my website regionoftech.com for tutorials, guides, and much more. So that's all for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video if it solved your problem. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye and stay safe.